Arts.
Hello, young artists. Today, we're off to India in our sketchbooks to draw Lord Hanuman, a heroic figure from Indian mythology known for his strength, loyalty, and magical powers. He is also known a monkey god. So grab your colors, brushes, and paper, and let's dive into this artistic adventure. Let me tell you a story about one of his adventure, the adventure of Hanuman and the sun. Once upon a time, in the magical land of India, there lived a mischievous yet brave monkey named Hanuman. Even as a little monkey, Hanuman was not just any ordinary monkey. He was born with incredible strength and the power to fly. One bright morning, when the sun was just peeking over the horizon, young Hanuman mistook it for a giant, juicy mango. His tummy rumbled with hunger, and he thought, that mango would make a delicious breakfast. With a mischievous grin, he leaped into the sky, soaring towards the sun with his mighty monkey strength. As Hanuman flew higher and higher, the wind roared in his ears, and the clouds danced around him. He reached out to grab the sun, but suddenly, Lord Indra, the king of the gods, noticed the little monkey trying to swallow the sun, which could put the world into darkness. Concerned, Indra summoned a thunderbolt and threw it at Hanuman to stop him. The thunderbolt struck Hanuman, and he fell down to the earth. The gods realized that Hanuman was just a playful child, not knowing the chaos he could cause. To heal him, the god of wind, who was also Hanuman's divine father, enveloped him in a gentle breeze, restoring his health. From that day on, Hanuman knew the power he held and the responsibility it came with. He promised to always use his strength for good, helping others and protecting his friends, just like he later did in his adventures with Lord Rama. And so, young Hanuman learned an important lesson about the consequences of his actions, and he grew up to be not just powerful, but wise and beloved by all.